Welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to write an inequality for a real-world situation. To begin, there are some keywords that you'll need to be aware of that we're going to be using throughout this process. So there are keywords that mean less than or equal to, that mean greater than, and that mean greater than or equal to. So pause the video and copy down this list of keywords because we'll be referring to it shortly. Alright, let's take a look at how one might do number one. So number one says write an inequality for the situations below. The vehicle's fuel efficiency is at least 30 miles per gallon. And then it says use F to represent the vehicle's fuel efficiency. So what we're supposed to do, in my opinion, if I wrote down our goal, is to write an inequality and what that means is translate the English to math symbols. So I'm going to do something that I did actually in the previous problems that involve translations. I'm going to rewrite the sentence so it's on one line. So it says the vehicle's fuel efficiency is at least 30 miles per gallon. And now what I'm going to do is literally do a word-by-word translation. So what they tell me is that vehicle's fuel efficiency is what they want me to call F. So we have F, and then I see the words is at least. Well, if I look up at my key word section, is at least is going to fall under the greater than or equal to. So I know that this means greater than or equal to. And then 30 miles per gallon I can represent with just 30. And that's it. Alright, I'd like you to try number 3. Pause the video and then restart when ready. Okay, so again, for number 3, I'm going to write down the sentence all in one line. And now I'm going to do a word-by-word translation. So it says the distance to the nearest door is at most 200 feet. Use D to represent the distance and feet to the nearest door. So the distance to the nearest exit door, what they're telling me is that that is supposed to be represented by D. And then I see the words is at most. And so if I go back to my keyword list, is at most falls under the less than or equal to category. So now I know I should be using this symbol for less than or equal to, and then 200 feet I can represent with just 200.